Hi, my name is Valentin Boel. I'm just providing a quick resource as to how I cleaned my Zoom H5 recorder because it would have been a helpful resource at the time when I was looking into how to get rid of this kind of sticky, rubbery feel, which is what has happened. I'm sure this might have happened to a few of you. Is that basically over the years, and I hadn't used it in a bit, this kind of, you can see it, I've already cleaned it, but there's a slight gunk that kind of builds up, and that was basically just all over the device. It's still kind of, you can see it just kind of there a little bit. That was all over the whole rubber device and making it very sticky and just really unpleasant. I ended up just not using it for a long time. And I don't claim that I have all the solutions as to how to clean this and how to properly do anything to it. So if you choose to clean yours, it's entirely up to you how you handle that. But basically, I first Googled some stuff and didn't really come upon a conclusive result, and I tried just kind of a household cleaner, which didn't work for me, didn't work at all, didn't remove the stickiness. I then bought this because I heard someone said that it would work. There's like an Armor All protectant, which I'm not sure why I'm showing you this because it didn't work. Didn't clean the stickiness off the device. And what ended up working was there's just this bicarbonate of soda, which was just like £1 at the shop, which you have to put in a small container and mix with water until it's sort of got like a toothpastey texture to it, and then you can rub it and kind of smear it into the device and keep on sort of polishing it until you end up with quite a clean surface. And again, it's not perfect, as you saw before. There's all this kind of slight gunk left, which doesn't really bother me. It's more about just the holding it, and it's good to hold now. It does end up with a lot of it gets into all the nooks and crannies, and you have to kind of be careful with cleaning it off. And it seems to work fine still for me, but it is acidic, and it is. I mean, the whole idea is that it's kind of the acid is kind of removing all the gunk, which works, but go careful and on your own risk. I've heard that isopropyl alcohol works as well, but yeah, this is just a quick resource that I thought I'd provide. And again, just to reiterate, this is not an official instructional video at all. This is just my personal experience. And if you do want to get rid of this stickiness on your Zoom H5, which I'd recommend you do your own research and find out what works. And if you have a better method than this, then please do comment below for anyone else looking to clean their Zoom H5, because from what I can read up, it seems like quite a common issue that Zoom should have handled better but didn't. So share your advice down below if you have something better than me, and yeah, thanks for watching.